Hi, I'm Tom Manetti, founder and CEO of Eleganté Cuisine. We are here to treat you today on a family tradition of holiday glögg. We're here to show you the gifts that we have handed out and the things that we are producing in our kitchen. It comes from our heart to your home. We're going to be showing you exactly how to unwrap the gift and how to prepare it for your guests. We are going to show you how to unwrap the gift that we have given out to you of our holiday glögg. It comes in a nice package like this with a little package of spices for garnish that the actual glögg is cooked in. So you unwrap it out of the gift. It looks like this. Our label is on there. We're going to uncork this and then put it into a pot to simmer, not boil, over time, which we'll show you next. We are now going to warm up the glögg. We are going to simmer the glögg and not boil it at a low heat. The aroma is so good. We're now going to let it simmer. It's going to take about 10 minutes to simmer, not boil. I wanted to discuss what's in our holiday glögg, our family tradition and passed down from our family. This glögg is made with a very good Beaujolais wine, a French wine, port wine, brandy, and grain alcohol. Pretty high alcoholic content. The herbs and seasonings that goes into it is also what really makes the flavor pop. You will enjoy this tradition. Enjoy. Yep, it's simmering right now. So this is a good time to transfer it over to our container that's going to hold it for our guests. As you can see, it's steaming. The smell is just holiday. It just smells like Christmas. We're going to take what we have prepared for is an Irish mug glass, but you can put this in any type of glass that you would like to do. Just make sure it can handle a little bit of heat. What we're first going to do is pour the glögg into the glass. And we're going to just put a little bit of garnish. What this is a little bit of cinnamon sticks, blanched almonds, some raisins, and a little bit of dried fruit, apricot. You can add whatever fruit you want that you want to add into it. A little fig is always nice. And the best part of this is to taste it and make sure it's good. Chef always checks his work. Mmm. Oh, is that good? Cool. There's a clove. Oh, does that smell good? Wow, is that strong? For those of you that want to lower the alcoholic content of this drink, a very simple tradition is that I usually light it for about 30 seconds. As you can see, the flame. I wanted to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from us and our team at Eleganté Cuisine.